In this session, I will give a general overview of workplace strategies and how to develop them. Therefore, I will start with defining workplace strategy in general, show the connection to the business performance, and outline steps for strategic planning. It is difficult to find a universal definition for workplace strategy, but the most important fact that it should include is the alignment of an organization's work patterns with the work environment. A workplace strategy can pursue various internally defined goals, whereby improved performance and cost reduction are most frequently targeted. So the definition makes it clear that there is no general strategy that can be applied to any company. It is important to link the workplace decisions to the organizational context and the business performance, which we will consider in the following. Modern workplaces are more people and less place-centric, so they can be used as a tool to improve business performance. This can be achieved through balancing processes and tools, people and place components. This process starts with identifying and prioritizing key business objectives. For each objective, internal and external challenges and opportunities are determined. The most convincing strategies for achieving the goals, meeting the challenges, and using the opportunities are then clarified. It is important to involve the people who are using the workplace in these steps so that you make sure you address their needs and preferences. The developed strategies can then be examined with regard to their support for the business strategy. Like I said in the beginning, they should include the components tools, people, and the place itself. The aim is to develop an effective workplace that allows a natural and efficient sharing of knowledge. That leads to more productivity and improved quality and innovation, which overall leads to better business results. As you can imagine, this is not a one-time process. It should be repeated continuously. By doing that, managers make sure that the workplace strategy is flexible enough to change as quickly as business needs. We now want to take a closer look at how these strategies are developed. So, according to the presented strategic thinking map, we go one step further from strategic thinking to strategic planning. Whenever you consider to change your current workspace strategy, a holistic situational analysis should take place. In the module, we presented the Swot Analysis, the 10 Ps, the pastel analysis, and scenario planning as different and possible methods for doing that. You can read about these methods in more detail in the module, but I want to go through an example of a SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis is a very common tool to collect and visualize the internal strengths and weaknesses of a company with external opportunities and threats. When you reconsider your current workplace solution, you may find that you already have skilled employees and your business processes have proven to be efficient over time. But on the other hand, you might have a low employee satisfaction and a negative workplace culture. Maybe you can use new tools or ways of working as opportunities to improve that situation. If you're aware of possible threats like a high employee turnover or stressed out employees, you will think about possibilities to improve the work-life balance in your company. So this is just one way to collect information with a situational analysis as a basis for strategic planning. With this knowledge that you gained from the analysis, the manager can develop a workplace strategy that defines the organization, provides focus, and sets the direction for all work activities. In the next mini lecture, we will see how a strategy can be implemented, and I will give some examples for workplace strategies.